Ah, the sometimes overlooked death metal track in the player's path. Death metal sprouted from the most extreme thrash metal bands like Venom, Slayer, Celtic Frost, or Creator in the mid 80s, and niche record labels like Roadrunner, E-Rake, and Combat helped popularize the style in the early 90s. Anyway, some of you might be asking, why did this guy who did qualify for his player's path choose the death metal tune? Now, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. I played for 5 years, that was between 2005 and 2010, in a death metal band from Montreal. So when Scott said in his introduction to Level 7,
death metal style of vibe, death.
he caught my attention. But honestly, when I listened to the song, I didn't like it too much. I didn't know what it was, but I found it a little bland and not too interesting. So I chose Benson Benson, Piano Roller, and Fuse Wire. Now that the player's path challenge is over, I wanted to continue to work my way up from level 7. I took a look into Fuse Wire, and although it's technically challenging, I didn't find it that musically engaging. Like, I wasn't going to enjoy it that much. So I revisited the other songs. I was reviewing Fearline with the same result. I found it somewhat bland and uninteresting. I was about to give up on it, and then it hit me like a cold shower. I finally realized what was wrong. It was an E standard tuning.
We tuned our guitars at D flat.
So let's see what happens when I detune the play along track by a minor third, or 3 semitones. Okay, this just passed from bland to brutal in a heartbeat. Bye bye, Fusewire. Hello, Fearline.
We tuned our guitars in D flat. I'm out of focus. We tuned our guitars in D flat.